In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and use an Excel spreadsheet within OneNote. This is a great tool for anyone looking to seamlessly integrate their data management with their note-taking. Let's dive right in, starting with getting OneNote running smoothly on your computer. Once you have OneNote open, you'll want to start by selecting the OneNote page where you'd like your Excel spreadsheet to appear. This will be the canvas where your spreadsheet will live, providing easy access and a convenient spot for data and calculations alongside your notes. Now, navigate to the top part of the OneNote interface where you'll see a series of tabs. Click on the one labeled Insert. This is your gateway to bringing various elements into your OneNote document. Once you're in the Insert menu, look towards the section that deals with spreadsheets. Here you'll find the Spreadsheet button. Give it a click. This is where the magic happens. You're going to select New Excel Spreadsheet. Immediately, a fresh blank Excel sheet will pop into your OneNote page. It comes with two handy elements, a visual preview of the sheet and an icon that acts as a link to the embedded file. This setup is not just for show. It's designed to give you the flexibility and power of Excel right next to your notes. You'll see the spreadsheet preview right there, but let's take it a step further. To work on your new Excel sheet with the full power of Excel's features, simply double-click on that preview or its accompanying icon. This action will open up the spreadsheet in full view using the Excel desktop application. Here, you can employ all of Excel's robust tools, from complex formulas to advanced data formatting options, whatever your task requires. After you've made the necessary updates or inputs within the Excel environment, go ahead and save your work. When you close the Excel application, OneNote steps up to keep your information current. The preview that you first saw on your OneNote page will have magically updated to reflect all changes you've made in Excel. This automatic update feature ensures that your OneNote notes always display the most recent data from your embedded Excel spreadsheet without any extra hassle on your part. And there you have it, a straightforward yet powerful way to bring the functionality of Excel directly into your OneNote environment. This method not only organizes your information more effectively, but also provides a streamlined workflow combining the strengths of both programs. So, next time you need to juggle numbers and notes, remember this method to keep everything in sync, productive, and neatly arranged at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and I hope this empowers your productivity.